so excited to learn how to make homemade stickers with packing tape. My granddaughter brought this idea to me, and I'm excited to share it with you. The backing of our stickers is going to be made with parchment paper. So I've gotten a piece of parchment paper here. And you can also use wax paper if you have that instead. This is found in the baking department of the store. And we're going to take some of the packing tape and we're going to place it on the parchment paper. And this becomes the second layer of our backing. This is going to be noisy. Packing tape is only about 2 inches wide. So if you're going to want to make your sticker wider than that, you need to overlap your pieces of packing tape. So you can overlap them like this. That makes it 4 inches wide by about 5 inches long. You can make them any size that you would like. So they can just fit on a single piece of packing tape or multiple pieces. So now I'm going to draw my pictures on my lightweight paper. This is just some printer paper. And I said that the packing tape was only 2 inches long. So just to help me remember that, I'm going to draw a couple lines on here. And I'm going to draw something right up here in this space, and I think I'm going to draw some balloon letters that say Nana. Maybe a couple flowers on each end. I'll color this in just a minute. And I think I'll make a little bit, another one that's for Father's Day. It's going to also be long and narrow, so I don't want it long, wider than 2 inches either. Best dad ever. Let's make it a little banner. There we go. And let's see, how about a mushroom? Let's go ahead and color these so they make bright and colorful stickers. I'm going to outline them in black permanent marker. You do not have to do this if you don't want to. You can just go ahead and color them without an outline. I'm going to erase my pencil lines on this one because they're showing up around the lettering. There we have them colored. Next we're going to cut our shapes out, and these are going to be the parts that are the sticker, so I'm going to leave a little bit of white around the outside edge. You don't have to if you don't want to, but especially with letters, that makes them stick together. Okay, there's my Nana, my dad banner. There's a mushroom, my star, and lastly my heart. There we go. All right, ready for some fun? We're going to put our drawings right over the packing tape that we put on this parchment paper. I know you can't see it very well, but I'm centering this Nana sticker right in the middle of that paper. And then I'm going to come back with another piece of packing tape and put it right over the top of it. I'm going to put a second one over it because I missed a little bit on the edge here. Okay, this best dad ever one will fit right here on this long piece of packing tape. Put this right over the top. So now my drawing is sandwiched in between the other piece of packing tape and this top piece of packing tape. And this mushroom will fit right here. Actually, I think all of these will fit onto here. I have them all sandwiched in between the two pieces of packing tape, and they're still on top of the parchment paper. I'm going to rub over the surface of these stickers with this piece of plastic similar to a charge card, but you could use the edge of your scissors or whatever. I'm just trying to get the bubbles out from between the layers of tape and to get it really sealed in there well, especially right around the edges of my drawing. Ooh, now comes the real fun. We're going to cut around these designs and we're going to leave as much of that packing tape on around the edge as we can, because that's what's going to stick to our surface. You don't want it to be, this is going to be clear around here. But we don't want to cut too much of it off or it won't stick onto our paper very well, or our object we're going to stick the stickers onto. Best dad ever. Making a sticker for myself. It says Nana. I think I'm going to put that one on my computer. And I'm just going to cut around the mushroom, kind of in an oval shape. And there we have our stickers ready to peel the backing off in just a moment. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Of course, you can print things off on your printer and use those instead of drawing if you would like to. But I really like the hand-drawn things. They're even more special. So I'm thinking my Nana sticker would be fun to have on top of my computer. I don't recommend everybody putting stickers on their computer unless they ask a parent first, or making sure that the computer belongs to them, not to the school or something. But these are so easy to peel and stick. The parchment paper comes off the back just like a regular sticker. Isn't that cool? And then that leaves the sticky part of the packing tape. And there you have it. Isn't that awesome? Woo! I don't think I can stop there. I think I need another. There's my star. And how about the heart? See how easily the parchment paper peels right off the back and leaves the sticky surface on there. I think I'm going to give my mushroom to my friend. And of course this one will go to Papa for Father's Day. How to make homemade stickers with packing tape is a blast, easy and fun. You've got to try it. For more craft ideas, come on over to welcometonana's.com and join the fun.